Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love! You are back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. At eto na nga, my love, oras na para harapin natin ang ating Byahe Sender of the Night. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. So eto na ang napakaikli. Pero I'm sure kasi itong problema niya ay nararanasan din ng karamihan ng ating mga kabisyo. O, diba? Kung hindi mo to nararanasan, ikaw nang gwapo. Ikaw nang habulin, ikaw nang pogi. Pero I'm sure may mga makaka-relate dito kasi minsan sa buhay ninyo nangyari na to. So eto na nga ang biyahe ni Juan Miguel. Hi DJ Lala, meron lang po akong itatanong sa inyo. May minamahal ako pero hindi ko alam ang standing ko sa kanya. Almost 2 years na po akong nanliligaw sa kanya. Ano po ba ang gagawin ko? Thank you and more power to your show. O, ang bilis, diba? Parang chinat lang talaga ako ni Kuya. Pero totoo, di ba? Totoo naman yung sinabi ko. Marami nang nakaranas ng ganito. Kasi, I don't know if, dalawa lang yan eh. It's either itong babaeng to, grabe yung trauma niya sa past, or sabihin na natin, sige, tatluhin na lang natin, bigay natin sa kanya yung benefit of the doubt. One is that, never pa siyang nagkaroon ng experience. So, meron siyang takot, meron siyang agam-agam, or meron siya, kumbaga, pinapatagal niya yung proseso kasi she wants to be sure na kapag nag-yes siya, it is the right decision. Second is, meron siyang traumatizing past. O, maaring ganon, di ba? Na-trauma siya sa nakaraan. So, ayaw niyang magmadali. Yan. When it comes to the matters of the heart. Ayan. Pagdating sa matters of the heart, ayaw niyang nagmamadali sa desisyon na yan. Or 3, hindi ka lang niya talaga trip or hindi ka niya type, ayaw niya, pero she doesn't know how to break your heart. And that's the most honest I can be with you, Juan Miguel. One of those 3 lang yan. Now, isa-set aside lang kita saglit, Juan Miguel, and I'm gonna address the girls, the ladies out there. I know that you want to be sure. I know kasi na gusto nyong maging sigurista when it comes to love or committing yourself to someone. Kasi sabi ko nga to sa karamihan ng taong kakilala ko, and even the guys na tumatawag sa show before, even the guys na humihingi ng payo, mas malaki kasi yung nawawala sa babae whenever we commit ourselves to someone. O, diba? Kasi iba yung tingin sa amin kapag nakarami na kami ng failed relationship. People are looking at us not as sobrang ganda, but as malandi, maharot. O, diba? When in comparison sa inyo mga lalaki, kapag nakarami kayo ng mga relationship, ang tingin sa inyo, wow, matulis. O, diba? Wow, habulin. Wow, pogi. Pero sa aming mga babae, ang tingin sa amin, malandi, maharot, ganyan, kirikiri. Ganyan yung tingin sa amin. That's the reason as to why girls are a bit cautious when it comes to entering a serious relationship or a commitment with someone. Pero girls, do not get me wrong, and mind you this, that is not an excuse para sa ganitong klaseng setup. I do not know how long the guy should wait for you. Diba? Hindi ko naiintindihan kasi hindi ko nagigets yung part. Bakit sobrang patatagalin mo ng ganyan yung panliligaw? O, diba, nung tao sa'yo. If you want to be in a relationship with that someone, just say yes. If you don't want to be in a relationship with that someone, then say no. Do not make that person wait. At least man lang for me, more than a year. A year is kahit papano katanggap-tanggap pa pero more than a year or 2 years ng panliligaw, medyo some kind of, for me lang I don't know with other girls if you find it okay, pero parang sa akin kasi parang over naman yata yun. Over the top na yun ng pagkilatis ng taong yun. Kasi kapag kayo ay nasa beginning stage of your relationship, early stage or honeymoon stage ng relationship, kung tawagin natin, kinikilatis mo pa rin naman yung taong yan o diba, tinetest mo pa rin siya, tinitignan mo pa rin siya kung ano yung tunay niyang ugali, kung sino talaga siya, kasi you'll never know that person truly unless you are in a relationship already with that person. Kasi itong mga ligaw part na to, sinasabi ko na to sa inyo before this is your best foot forward. So lahat ng nakikita sa'yo sa early onset ng kung ano man tong setup ninyong dalawa, that is your best. Kumbaga yung ikaw na lagi kang nagsusundot hatid, syempre, nagpapapogi ka eh, di ba? Nagpapayami ka eh. Ikaw naman na girl, syempre, nag-aayos ka every time na susunduin ka kasi alam mo nga, hindi pa kayo and you want that person to want you more. So this is your best foot forward. So kung 2 years na yung ligawan stage na yon at 2 years na rin kayong magkakilala and yet you are still unsure if you want to be in a relationship with someone, it is quite safe to say that you don't really want that person that bad. O diba? Na hindi mo talaga siya gusto. Ang tagal-tagal mo na siyang pinaghihintay. O diba? That is unfair for the person who is waiting for you. That is a waste of time nung taong naghihintay sa'yo. Kasi kamukat-mukat mo, baka pagdating sa dulo, hindi mo pala trip na sagutin siya or wala pala talaga sa plano mong sagutin siya. Sinayang niya yung 2 taon niyang panliligaw sa'yo para sa isang malupit mong no. O diba? That person won't take it lightly. Let me tell you that. That person won't take it lightly. Hindi niya yung tatanggapin as okay lang kung binasted niya ako, yun yung decision niya. Hindi. Kasi isipin na ng taong yun, 2 taon? It took you 2 years to know and to realize that you don't like me. Ano yun? Noong mga panahong lang yun, kinukuha mo lang yung benefits? Tinetest mo ko for 2 years and I do not get to test you back? Ako lang yung tinetest mo ng tinetest and then after mong makinabang, after mong magpakasasa dun sa gestures ko nung nanliligaw ako sa'yo, bibitawan mo ko ng ganun-ganun after 2 years? O diba? If that's the kind of reaction, ate, that you don't wanna receive, then let go of a guy if you don't really feel like saying yes to the guy. Now, going back to you, Juan Miguel, sa narinig mong yun from me, what do you think? O diba? I mean, ikaw na or hayaan na kitang mag-draw into conclusion, pero if I were you, if I were on your shoes, I'll let that person go. Kumbaga ako na din sa sarili ko, bibigyan ko na siya ng ultimatum. It's either you like me or you don't. It's either you want to be in a relationship with me or you don't. But you don't get to waste 2 years of my life. Nahahabol ako ng hahabol sa'yo just because I want you to say yes to me. O diba? Kasi my love, again, if a person really likes you, if a person wants to be with you, that person wouldn't want na makita kang nahihirapan pa. Naintindihan mo ko? Kaya nga, binigyan kita ng case-to-case basis para mas maintindihan mo na there are certain reasons as to why a person or a girl would wanna put a pause sa pag-say yes niya or pagpasok niya sa isang relationship. Pero none of that will ever merit yung pagpapahintay sa'yo ng 2 years. Sabi nga dito ni Aliana sa sa comment section, ano yan, gold? Totoo, ginto ka, girl. Diba? Juan Miguel, I adore and I admire your persistence. I admire your patience sa panliligaw at panunuyo dito sa girl. And I know within my heart that you see that girl worthy of your actions. Pero that's 2 years of your life, my love. If that person wants to be with you, 1 year would be enough to say yes to you. Kapag umabot na kayo ng 2 years, ano na lang yan, nag-aabang na lang yan. Nag-aabang na lang yan ng biyaya mula sa'yo, okay? Itigil mo na yung panliligaw mo. Bigyan mo na lang siya ng ultimatum, Juan Miguel, na sabihin mo sa kanya na it's been 2 years since I asked you kung pwedeng maligaw and you said yes. It's been 2 years na sinusuyo kita. So, I guess it's gonna be fair for me to ask dun sa decision mo, is it a yes or a no? Kasi the next effort na I wanna make is an effort that I wanna do to someone who is already my partner, to someone who is already my girlfriend. Now, kapag sinabi niya, pasensya na, hindi kita masasagot, Juan Miguel, huwag ka nang mag-hold ng any grudges, huwag ka nang mag-ask ng questions as to why hindi ka niya sinagot. You've done everything you can, Juan Miguel. Wala kang dapat pagsisihan. Ngayon, kung medyo may kinda inis ka, deserve. Deserve ni ate yung inis mo kasi 2 years yun ang buhay mo. But I guess it's safe to say it's time na for you to ask the heavy question, is it a yes or a no? Okay? Sabi dito ni 44 Bobcat, itagay nyo na lang daw yan. Sabi niya, Erico na Moral Limson, walang matagal na panliligaw kung gusto mo talaga siya. Pero wala naman sigurong masama na magtanong ka sa kanya. Tingin ko, deserve mo naman na malaman yung stand mo sa kanya, lalo na at ganyang katagal ka nang nanunuyo sa kanya. Maging prepared ka lang sa lahat ng posibleng maging sagot niya. Pag nanligaw ka, dapat handa ka lagi sa anumang sagot niya. Totoo yan. Just prepare yourself. O diba, even dun sa part of letting her go, you have to prepare yourself for that, okay?